Students, welcome back to the session on plant layout. In previous sessions, we were discussing with respect to different types of plant layouts. So we were discussing fixed layout. We have discussed fixed layout, and we have discussed product layout. We have discussed process layout, and we have discussed cellular layout. So now in this session, we will be dealing with the combined layout or hybrid layout. So this is basically with the combination of any layout. So I've just taken it as an example of the combination of process and product layout. So it's basically we can have a combination of any layouts in order to meet the production process, or say that according to the requirement of production process. So it's a combination of a process and product layouts, combines the advantages of both process and product layouts. So a combination layout is possible where an item is being made in different types and sizes. So that's how the different layouts being used in order to produce based on the different types and the sizes of products. So here a machinery is arranged in a process layout, but the process grouping is then arranged in a sequence of manufacture, various types and sizes of products. So here the machineries or the workstations would have arranged in order to meet the advantages or to enjoy the advantages of both the systems, say process and the product layout. So that would be understanding with the help of an image. So it is to be noted that the sequence of manufacturing remains the same with a variety of product and sizes. So the plant layout would design or have a system in place established involving the advantages or the benefits of both the layouts, example process layout and product layout, with whether we will be having the sequence of product as well as the functional areas workstation involved in the process of production. So let's understand in a better way with the help of an picture. So now with the help of this picture we can understand there is a design with respect to line layout, and the design is also refers the plant layout. So now if we see the process is referring to number 1, we have 4 workstations with respect to receiving the raw materials, and number 2, there are 2 different workstations continuing the sequence of different products. So considering here there are 2 lines in terms of product layout. Okay, so there are 4 different workstations, so 2 for B and 2 for so I will consider there is no mention in terms of products, but we can consider here there are 2 lines or 2 production products assembly line is designed. So there are 2 workstations for product A, and there are 2 workstations in receiving stations in terms of raw materials. So moving ahead, there is the second stage of product line, we have 1 workstation organized. Moving ahead, we have 3 different workstations organized at the third stage of product, and moving ahead, fourth is 1 single assembly line, and the 4 and 5 consecutively. So we can have the finished product. So here we can see the workstation or the process layout presence as well as the product layout. So now if we consider the line layout, if we just look at the line layout, we have a product entering into workstation 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4, 5, and then we'll reach into the finished product. So somewhere if you focus on the process layout, we have the different functions being of multiple process areas have been established, or say a functional workstations has been established. So if you look at number 1, so we have 4 different workstations considering for 2 different assembly lines, and again when focusing with the third workstation, we have 3 different workstations functioning the same function. So such we can see the combination of different layouts in order to produce a better number, or we can have economic benefits, or say we can enjoy the advantages of both the layouts. So this is how the combination of multiple layouts would help in order to achieve the better production. So this was all about combined layout or hybrid layout.